Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Boeing and the options I have expiring. They expire today, on Friday. It is July 15th, 2022. Now, I sold this option. I thought the price of stock was going to go down even further. With the Fed raising rates, thought the stock was going through the floor. Potentially, that's why I bought the collar, right? I bought the put, and the put's worthless. But it looks like I'm about break even on the call. But I don't want to get rid of the stock. If I leave it the way it is, it's going to be sold at the end of the day or sometime before then. So I'm going to roll it into the next expiration, and I get $1.90. Not terrible, I guess. $2. Alright, let's see if we can go out a little further. Let's go out into August expiration. Pretty sure the Fed's probably going to raise rates again. $7. That's pretty decent. I like that. And if I keep it at the same level, it could be okay. Let's see what the 145 I do a diagonal. It's $4. So that's $900. That's pretty good. I think I make out better this way than the other way. I could even maybe go to 150. Let's see. Nah, I'm gonna go with 145. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna go the way. We'll see. All right. Anyway, guys, this is the trade. So let's send this order. I get $400. It's going to reduce my cost basis even more. Awesome. And let's go look at the order. Alright guys, I finally got it filled at $4.05. Had to go all the way down. That's okay. Let's go look at the position. Okay, now here's the position Boeing. I'm long 600 shares. I rolled the diagonal covered call into August. And the option for 120 is going to expire today. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. If you guys want to see more trades like this, be sure to join the channel and the private stock group. And then, these videos are going to be going private here, probably the end of July. So you have it till the end of July to join up, and then I'll make periodic offers for everybody, but it's a limited time only. Get in now while you can. Alright guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.